Hello guys, good morning. Hello. God bless us. See you next project. Take care. God bless. More power. This is DJ Primo. Mabuhay. Duterte. Duterte. Yeah. Oh, the finish. May picture meron. One more chance. Hey. Yes guys, ito yung ano ngayon guys, weather ngayon kasi mga kasama ko bababa na guys. Kasi kami maiwan dito ilang araw. Maganda yung weather. Yung inano nila na supply boat 6 hours papunta sa pier guys. Yan. Kumaya guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung ano, yung cruise ship dumaan dito sa USA, dito sa Gulf of Mexico. Yan mga kasama ko ngayon guys, excited na uuwi. Yan. We are not finished this project. We turn over to Chevron. Very important to have always work safety and help one another, teamwork. Okay, God bless us and more power. This is DJ Primo Vlog. Mabuhay, share, like, and follow my reels in Facebook and YT also. Bye-bye!